Welcome to Daily Insights. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today, I want to speak to you about a concept that holds significant relevance in our pursuit of purpose. Self-engagement has never been more crucial in a world that is brimming with constant noise, relentless demands, and endless distractions. Self-engagement isn't just about keeping busy or filling our time with tasks. It's about meaningful engagement with our inner selves, an engagement that leads us to our true purpose. Every day we juggle various roles, whether they are professional, personal, or social. But how often? How often do we pause to engage in our deepest aspirations, our true selves? This engagement is not a luxury. It is a necessity. It is the compass that guides us towards a life of purpose and fulfillment. When we engage with ourselves, we don't just exist, we come alive. We begin to understand what makes us tick, what ignites our passion, and what gives our life meaning. Think about the moments when you felt most alive. These were moments when you were deeply engaged in activities that resonated with your core. It may be while helping others, creating something, solving a problem, or overcoming a challenge. These moments are clues, signposts pointing toward your purpose. But how do we cultivate this concept of self-engagement? It starts with intentional solitude and reflection. It is about creating spaces in our lives to connect with our thoughts and feelings and listen to our heart's whispers. It is about asking ourselves the hard questions. What am I passionate about? What legacy do I want to leave? What does success mean to me? And then it's about aligning our daily actions with the answers. Self-engagement also means continuous learning and growth. It is a journey of discovering new facets of ourselves, expanding our horizons and challenging our limits. When we commit to this journey, we find our purpose and inspire those around us to find theirs. Yes, we are purpose personified. I urge each of you to embark on this journey of self-engagement. Dedicate time to understand and nurture your inner self. And remember, the path to a purposeful life is paved with self-awareness, passion, and continuous engagement. Your purpose is calling you. Will you answer? Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.